Competition for agricultural land use in developed countries is increasing, leading to concern about changes in land use patterns worldwide. In fact, the world in general has accepted this phenomenon as an inevitable trend because in any situation, the development of the area will continue and take place. In Malaysia, this issue is particularly relevant in Kedah, where the area of rice cultivation has been decreasing over time. This decline in paddy field area can have significant implications for the land administration system and may result in environmental problems such as drought, floods, and landslides in Aliesya.
Our first objective is to analyze the land use pattern and changes in the area of paddy land in Aliesya Kedah. Second, to identify the factors that contribute to the change in the land use pattern of paddy fields in Aliesya Kedah. Third, to propose measures and strategies to address the decline in paddy fields and mitigate potential environmental problems associated with the loss of agricultural land. Study and improve understanding of land use patterns by classifying and analyzing the land use patterns in the paddy areas of Aliesya. The study can provide valuable insight into the current state of agricultural land use. This understanding can help in making informed decisions regarding land management and development. This study also can provide guidance for sustainable land use planning. This information can help identify suitable areas for expanding rice cultivation and ensure the long-term availability for agricultural land. By utilizing geographical information technology, the study can leverage advanced spatial analysis tools and techniques to analyze the current land status and land use in the area. This technology enables more accurate and efficient data collection, analysis, and visualization, enhancing the overall effectiveness of the study.
Environmental impact assessment. The study addressed the potential environmental problems associated with the loss of paddy fields, such as drought, floods, and landslides. By understanding the factors contributing to these issues, appropriate measures and strategies can be proposed to mitigate the environmental impact and promote sustainable land use practices. Sustainable land management. The study provides suitability data for new paddy fields, which can guide land managers and policymakers in identifying suitable areas for expanding rice cultivation. This can contribute to sustainable land management practices, ensuring the long-term availability of agricultural land for rice production. Land administration system improvement. The study's analysis of the land status and current land use using geographical information technology can contribute to the improvement of the land administration system. This technology enables efficient data collection, analysis, and visualization, leading to better land management and administration processes. Long-term analysis. The study analyzed the changes in land use patterns and the area of paddy land over a span of almost 3 decades, from 1984 to 2012. This long-term analysis provides a comprehensive view of the trends and patterns, allowing for a deeper understanding of the phenomenon and its implications. Suitability data for new paddy fields. The study produced suitability data for the establishment of new paddy fields in Aliesya. This data can guide future land use planning and decision-making processes, contributing to sustainable agricultural development and ensuring the availability of agricultural land for rice cultivation. Integration of geographical information technology. The study utilized geographical information technology, including tools and techniques for land use classification and spatial analysis. This integration allows for a more accurate and efficient analysis of the land status and current land use, providing valuable data for decision-making and land management purposes.
As for the potential in commercialization, it includes 3 services which are agriculture planning and consulting services. The generated suitability data for new paddy fields can be utilized by agricultural planners and consultants to provide guidance to farmers or investors who are interested in establishing new paddy fields in Aliesya Kedah. They can use this information to identify suitable areas for rice cultivation and make informed decisions regarding land use and investment. Environmental consulting and conservation services. The study findings regarding the environmental impact of changes in land use pattern such as drought, floods and landslide can be valuable for environmental consulting firms. They can offer services to assess and mitigate the environmental risks associated with agricultural land loss and contribute to conservation efforts in Aliesya. Geographical Information Technology (GIS) application. The utilization of GIS in analyzing land status and land use can have commercial potential for GIS software companies. They can provide GIS software, tools, and services to support similar studies or land administration system in other regions that facing similar challenges of agricultural land competition and changing land use patterns.